Welcome to the shop. My name is Brad, this is Bo Woodcraft, and today let's talk about scrap wood. We've all got tons of it, little blocks, little chunks, big chunks, flat pieces, square pieces. But when I saw this one, see that right in there? When I saw this one, I thought we can make something really cool out of that. So let's get started. So when I first looked at this piece of wood, I was looking at all this character it's got going on in here. It kind of centers around this knot right here, but it's kind of built itself a little burl in there. So what I want to do is shape this up a little bit. We're going to square it up, and then we're going to flatten it out and kind of round the edge. And we're going to make something really kind of useful out of this. So let's get over to the bandsaw. So let's get this shaped up. Desktops or the benchtop sander really quick and kind of do some shaping. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to flatten this up a little bit, get rid of kind of some of those saw marks. Get this sanded up even better, of course, and put a finish on it. But the first thing I want to do before that is go over and I'm going to drill a 1-inch hole with a Forstner bit right there. Okay, so now we're just going to add one of these little propagation bases to that, and you got yourself a really nice little centerpiece for the table. I might go ahead and add a candle, a spot for a candle right here, and we'll get it all sanded out and put a finish on it, and that thing's going to be really a cute little addition. Hey guys, if you could do me a really quick favor and go down there and hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment in the box, that'd be amazing. All of that really helps out a lot, and I do appreciate it. Hey, let's get back to the build. So I just got these in. I ordered them. They're not sponsored or anything. I've not even opened the box yet, but this is from Speetool. How do you say it? I don't know. Speetool. True dust-free sanding discs. So these are 120 grit. So we're going to give this a try and see how they do. So these are hook and loop. So it comes with a little foam jobby. See that? I mean, as far as sandpaper goes, it works really well. So you can see not a whole lot of dust on here. A little bit from, I think that's where I tapped it, but all right, let's check this out. Okay, as far as I'm concerned, these things work really well. I mean, that took 99% of the dust and put it right in the dust bag where it should go. Whereas with these little holes, it just throws it everywhere and you end up covered in dust. So, nope, I'm impressed. I think I'll probably be buying more of that. All right, now, as the old bearded Viking would say, we're going to use the finish for dummies. Shalakalaka. Thanks for all your tips, Daniel. We really appreciate you, man. So I'm going to hit the bottom first. I'm going to let that dry for a minute. Look at that grain just come alive. Such cool stuff. I love this maple. All right, so if you got little pieces of scrap laying around the garage, sorry, my fan's blowing really hard. All right, I'm Brad with Bo Woodcraft. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Drop me a comment. Let me know how you're doing today or what you're working on. And I look forward to seeing you next time right here on Bo Woodcraft.